Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, 1 owner. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified Program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.
This is a 1-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.